Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to change the battery to the security alarm system. This is a Bosch system, so first off I'm going to just turn off the power so I don't get electrocuted. And we're just going to open the panels. Okay, so, oops, it's coming out, come on, you should be. There we go. So, okay. Oh, there we go. The alarm's off.
The alarm is off.
Takes it out. So this is the battery that needs to be replaced. So as you can see there, it's the blue and red. Blue being black. So we'll just take that out. And that. Okay. That's the battery there. If you can look at it. It's a 12 volt. We've got a replacement battery. It looks a bit different. We went to a local battery store, but it's still 12 volts and 4 amps. So we're going to just set us back about 50 bucks. You know, it's a quick fix. So we're going to remove the clips. And it's very easy. All you gotta do is deal with this particular wire and put the wires red over the red and black over the black. Don't have to worry about all that. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna fix it in. Yeah. Again, I was talking to the guy in the store. He says, you know, this battery sometimes lasts about 2 years, 10 years if you're lucky, depending on your power outage. So that should do it. You don't have to mess around with anything else. Just leave it there. Obviously we recycled the last battery. Gave it to the battery guy. So we'll just put it up. This is just the alarm going on because something's tampered with the system. Okay. Well, we've replaced the battery, so that symbol is still flashing there. Well, I'm pretty sure, or rather I was told, once the battery's been replaced, that symbol there, which is that caution symbol, will disappear once the battery kicks in. So we just have to wait for it to stop flashing. Well, as you can see, we went out shopping, so the caution symbol's gone, so the battery's kicked in. That off there is just that the alarm is off because we got back home and turned off the alarm. But so there you have it. That's how you fix or replace a battery for the alarm system. There will be times when the alarm will go off because, you know, when you pull the battery out or you put the battery in, the system's just detecting that someone's tampering with it. Just make sure you have your remote handy when you're doing that alarm so you can turn it off while you're plugging the batteries in. So there you have it. As simple as that. Hope this will help you guys change your security alarm battery when the time comes.